Assalamu alaikum, dear students. So my lecture is for class 10th, chemical properties of metals. So in this lecture we will discuss first chemical property, that is reaction of metals with oxygen. So when metals are burnt in air, they react with the oxygen of air to form metal oxides. Thus metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature. We will give some examples. First one is sodium metal. Sodium metal reacts with the oxygen of air at room temperature to form a basic oxide called sodium oxide. Potassium and sodium metals are so reactive that they react vigorously with the oxygen of air. They catch fire and start burning when kept open in the air. In fact, potassium metal and sodium metal are stored under kerosene oil to prevent their reaction with the oxygen, moisture, and carbon dioxide of air, so as to protect them. Some of the metal oxides dissolve in water to form alkalis. Sodium oxide and potassium oxide are the two metal oxides which are soluble in water. They dissolve in water to form alkalis. Sodium oxide is a basic oxide which reacts with water to form an alkali called sodium hydroxide. Potassium oxide is also a basic oxide which reacts with water to form an alkali called potassium hydroxide. Now reaction of magnesium metal. So magnesium metal does not react with oxygen at room temperature, but on heating, magnesium metal burns in air, giving intense heat and light to form a basic oxide called magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide dissolves in water partially to form a magnesium hydroxide solution. Aluminium metal burns in air on heating to form aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide is amphoteric oxide. What are amphoteric oxides? Those metal oxides which show basic as well as acidic behavior are known as amphoteric oxides. Aluminium metal and zinc metal form amphoteric oxides. Thus aluminium oxide and zinc oxide are amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric oxides react with both acids as well as bases to form salts and water. Aluminium oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride, that is salt and water. So in this reaction, aluminium oxide behaves as a basic oxide. Aluminium oxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium aluminate and water. In this reaction, aluminium oxide behaves as an acidic oxide. Zinc metal burns in air only on strong heating to form zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide which reacts with acids as well as with bases to form salt and water. Zinc oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and water. Zinc oxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium zincate and water. Iron metal does not burn in air even on strong heating. Iron reacts with the oxygen of air on heating to form iron oxide. Copper metal also does not burn air even on strong heating. Copper reacts with the oxygen of air on prolonged heating to form a black substance, copper oxide. This is how metals react with oxygen.